It was true love. Even though it took a little while for them to say it out loud. Watching your relationship grow from the very beginning has been beautiful. You guys have built such a solid friendship, and the love just blossomed from there. I see the amount of love and respect you have for one another, and it should be an inspiration to everyone. I love you both, and I wish you many happy years together. From this day forward, you have all you will need in life, each other.
Back when we first met, I could just tell this was different. I could see the love in Jeff's eyes, the way he talked about her, the way he was with Kat. It was real love, a special kind of love you only hope to find. Kat, you're an amazing woman, a strong, proud Peruvian woman. A proud Peruvian woman who has a great head on her shoulders. I couldn't be more proud and honored to say you are my friend. Thank you for being you. Jeff, thank you for all the 18 plus years we've had together. You mean the world to me. You are my brother from another mother. I can't wait for the next chapter in your life to start as a husband and wife and to be along for the ride.
She embraces his inner weirdness, and together they have the most fun-loving, real relationship I've ever seen. I love them both individually, but even more so, I love them together. Sorry, I'm trying to keep it together. Really, you two are each other's true best friends. You deserve all the happiness in the world, and may your marriage be filled with laughter and love, and may this be the beginning of your great journey together. Here's to the bride and groom.